So today I'm going to be fixing up this jump. Can't really see it. But I'm going to be fixing up this jump for the four-wheelers and the dirt bikes. Alright, I got this full. And I'm gonna go down here and move some of these leaves. Ooh, it's heavy. That's pushing me down the hill. Kind of hard when it's heavy and also you're only holding it with one hand. So, well, I'm not really gonna rake it. I'm just gonna kick the leaves out of the way. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, I got the leaves kind of kicked out of the way. Now, this is wide enough for the 90. And right now, currently, I'm at 45 subs right now. Yesterday I had 35. And I just think it's crazy that I have 45 subs in just, what is it, 2 months? 2.5 maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I put this brick here and I stand the log up to set my phone on. Alright, I just set the log here so that way when I do get this jump finished, I can actually see where I land and also how high I get a little bit better. So now I set it right there. See, look, I took it. And instead of just dumping the entire load, I'm gonna shovel it out so that way I can see how much I will need. Actually, never mind. Also, I'm using really loose sand. It's sand, so it's not gonna pack the best. And also this, it packs over time, I guess. Because the ground, I take my phone, shovel. Right over here is where we've been riding for a while. Listen. We haven't done nothing to it except for ride on it. That's pretty stiff, pretty hard. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping is gonna happen with this. Right here. So yeah. It's already like a foot tall for the jump. And this is not a didn't have it facing the jump. Now let's move the log here. Move the log. Alright, I just turned the log some. Oh gosh, I can get my phone stand. But just turn my phone a little bit. And the jump is already like a foot tall. So don't want sticks in here or roots. Now we just dump it. I think right now. It didn't all come out. And then we just shape the jump a little bit. Then pack it down. There's a bunch of sand in my glove. Do that again real quick. Now I'm gonna shovel it out. IMAX mode. I was getting some buzzing in the dirt. That's so. I thought it was like a leaf or something, so I started using my hands with my gloves. Now this thing was a hornet in here. There's a hose right up here. I'm gonna spray this down, pack it down some more. All right, well, I'm not gonna be able to film for long because my phone's just about dead. Alright, I'm gonna flip the camera real quick. Alright, it held up really nice. I thought it was just gonna completely like crumble. This is how thick this is. This is like an 80-degree angle. But it held up really nice. It's gonna need some more packing, but it feels really nice, even though it doesn't have a landing. But yeah. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.